Let's talk a little bit about Amazon PPC and are you pausing your campaigns too early? So with sponsored products and sponsored brands, we have something that's called attribution window. For sponsored products, that's 7 days, and for sponsored brands, that's 14 days. So that actually means that when you make a certain campaign and campaign starts getting clicks, it can take up to 7 days for sponsored products. The algorithm attributes the purchase to a click. So if you start a campaign on Monday and you panicking out because of there are no sales, the ACoS is too high or whatever it's happening, and you pause your campaign on Friday because you're scared of the performance, it may actually be that on Saturday and Sunday your system will actually record more sales, and that can be even more with sponsored brands where you have 14 days of attribution window. But also if you're a vendor, it's even worse. So for vendors, it's 14 days for both sponsored products and sponsored brands. So that's something that you really need to take into consideration when you're managing the accounts. What is also important to note is that you shouldn't be going into the new campaigns if you don't know, at least have an estimate of what's going to happen. You cannot just throw any random keyword in there without knowing, is it a high search volume keyword? Is it going to be too expensive? Is the CPC going to be in the range of dollar or two, or is it going to be in the range of 15 to $20? So that's something that you need to know. So I'm assuming that you already done your research, so you're actually going into this with preparedness in mind. This decision on when to make changes or pause or unpause the campaign or whatever is also influenced by, is it a high ticket product or not? If it's the more expensive product, then people typically will revisit your listing a few times and click on your ads a few times before they decide to buy. Another good thing is to also use Amazon Marketing Cloud and see your time to conversion. I already covered that in the previous videos, but time to conversion will tell you since your last click how many minutes or days usually go by before somebody buys your product. So that's also one piece of the puzzle that you can take into consideration when deciding on when to pause. But um, to sum it up, for sponsor products, 7 days; for sponsor brands, 14 days. That doesn't mean that you shouldn't be doing anything in 14 days, God forbid, because it can be ridiculously bad during that period of time. But just have in mind that you need to wait for 7 days or 14 days in order to have some meaningful data. That's why reporting on a weekly level is fine, but in most of the cases it's not that accurate. So thank you for watching and see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye bye.